Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be recreating my mom's frijoles puerco. I'm gonna walk you guys through because of my last video that we did it was old, so we're gonna do it again. All right, so the stuff you're gonna need is some frijoles, pinto beans. I've only done it with pinto beans, so pinto beans, they're already cooking on this pot right here. You're also gonna need chile japoneses enteros. This is what they look like. You're gonna need some of these. We're gonna need some lard, manteca. We found this in the oil section. We were like looking for a while, huh? So oil section, that's where we found it. So that's what most likely you'll find it. We need some chorizo. We like chorizo de puerco, so I got 2. And then we got some queso de patas. It smells like feet. So we got this one. And then you're gonna need some tortillas that you're gonna have to fry. So I'm going to show you guys how we do everything. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and cut our tortillas. I'm actually going to cut them like little pizza slices. So down the middle and then the other side. And then just cut them into little pizza slices. So I'm just going to cut a few just to fry them because they're going to go in the frijoles puercos. And then we're going to fry them and have them as a decoration as well. So you just want to cut them in these little pieces right here, as you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Little pizza slices, easy. That's it. Cut them like that. All right, moving on. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our manteca, our lard. Yes, we're going to add manteca. So I do use like a spoonful of lard. And we're going to go ahead and melt that into our pot. And I just give it a fuse until it melts. I like to like mess around with it and make it go around for a little bit just so that it melts, and then it's kind of coating my pot because that's where we're going to go ahead and fry our tortillas. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and fry our chiles as well. So I had to switch over to voiceover because I did turn on the fan that goes on the top of the stove and it was too loud, so you really couldn't hear what we were talking about. And I honestly would not want you guys to be hearing the whole noise from the stove. So I did add another piece because I felt like it needed it. So you can add as much as you want. Just basically I felt like it needed a little bit more. So yeah. Alright, after it's really hot, we're going to go ahead and add our little pizza slices of tortillas, and we're going to go ahead and fry them. You can fry them as long as you guys want, as long as they don't get burnt. I don't really like to fry mine too much, but my husband likes them toasty, so it depends on how you guys like it. But you just want to go ahead and fry all the little tortillas that you made. Once one side is fried, you want to go ahead and flip them so the other side will get fried a little bit too. So you just want to go ahead and flip them, and then once they're golden brown, you can definitely take them out. All right, then after that, we're going to go ahead and put our chilies in there, and this is when you start coughing. I had the oil was too hot, so they were kind of getting a little bit burnt, so yeah, we gotta lower it down. I forgot to lower it down. I was just trying to film and cook at the same time, so you do want to lower it down. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and fry our chorizo. I'm going to do one whole chorizo thing and then the half of the other one, just because when we put it into the pot, it felt like if there was just a little bit of chorizo, we wanted it to have a lot. So that's what I went ahead and I did. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and then fry it for a little bit. Once it looks like this, you want to go ahead and take it out so it's ready to be poured into the frijoles. So moving on to the pot of frijoles, I'm going to go ahead and squish them in here. Honestly, it just depends on how much beans you put. I had put a little bit more water than it had, so I had to remove some of the water that I had on the frijoles. So you guys can see it's over there. So I had to take some of the water out because I felt like it was too runny. I still felt like it was a little too runny, but I didn't want the beans to be dry. So you want to make sure that it has a little bit of water still from the beans. So after you squish them, you want to go ahead and add all the ingredients that we just used. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chorizo that I just fried. That's going to go in the pot first. You're going to put that all in there. Oh my God, it's so greasy, but it's still delicious, guys. Like, Sorry, but it's bomb. It's bomb.com. So we want to go ahead and mix it a little bit. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and add our chile. So it looks like this. Then we're going to go ahead and add our chile salsa huichol. I think that's what it's called. We're going to go ahead and add 1 bottle. All the bottles, so we're just pouring it in there. If you can't find this chile, you can definitely put tapatio or Valentina. I know my mom puts Valentina on it, and it tastes the same. So it just depends on what you guys like. If you guys can't find this bottle, definitely could use Valentina or tapatio. Just putting it out there. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and mix this up. Make sure that it's really nice and mixed. So I'm mixing. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my chilies. So I'm just going to add some of those and then mix them in there. Honestly, to be honest with you guys, I use different kinds of chiles. This is not the chiles that I typically use, but I was watching my old video where my mom was saying that this is the chilies that she uses. So I was like, okay, let me try that. All right, after that, I'm going to go ahead and add my queso cotija, and I couldn't open it. I was having little difficulties opening it, but we're going to go ahead and drizzle some of that inside the pot, and then we're going to go ahead and mix it. I guess that's what makes the frijoles puercos a little thick, I guess, this whole cheese thing, because that's what I noticed when I mixed it in there. So, yeah, so you want to go ahead and mix that into the frijoles. And make sure you mix it really good. I like to take my time doing this. I kind of had to fast forward this video a little bit because I felt like it was going a little too slow. But yeah, then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our tortillas on there. So I'm just going to put them in there and then mix it again so they kind of mix under there. Then the rest of the tortillas that we have left, you want to make sure you leave some. You're just going to like place them on top like a little decoration. That's what my mom does all the time, just so when she serves the frijoles puercos at a party, she always decorates it. So I'm over here trying to put some, and then Mario's over here dipping them and trying to eat them. So, so he was having a little bit of a snack while I was cooking instead of him helping me. So yeah, so as you guys can see, I'm just decorating, applying them on top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some cheese on top of that. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you guys try this recipe. If you guys try it at home, let me know if you guys liked it or not. Give me a thumbs up if you guys would like to see more cooking videos. Yeah, I love you guys so much. And leave me a comment down below what other video you would like me to do, like for cooking videos. And I will try to get that to you guys. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.